Hello everyone, good morning. This is Diksha Singh from Chem Robotics. Chem Robotics is a database company which is catering its services to the agrochemical, chemical, fine chemical, and the pharmaceutical industry. And this video is dedicated to our global agro product directory. So this global agro product directory, it provides the approved and the commercialized product information globally. Herein, we are providing the agrochemical product information for more than 55 countries, and we're all providing all the relevant information such as the AI name, the combinations, the company, the registration number, formulation, the technical supplier name with the handler, consultant, distributor information, and their trademark images. And currently, we have 55 countries under the umbrella of this platform, and we are covering the major markets like the Argentina, Australia, Austria, Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, Chile, China, Colombia, Denmark, Dominica, Finland, France, etc. And herein we also provide the translated label, fact sheets, monograph, and other certificates. So there is a simple keyword section by which you can just filter them on the further things that you're looking for. There is an advanced search option where the user can search for the information by applying filter on the desired country along with the other filters such as the AI name, combination, trade name, applicant, and such a way the user can have a look. So I'm just going to begin with the navigation now. So first of all, I'm just gonna filter this for Brazil, as Brazil is the biggest agrochemical market. So let's just have a look at this. So for Brazil itself, there are total 2,917 results derived, and this is downloadable in the form of Excel, and you can filter them on the basis of your own needs. So under this, we provide the basic information like the CAS number, the EP registration number. Apart from that, we provide the chemical class, the IUPAC name, the compound indication, label indication, the formulation, company, trade name, the solo or the combinations, the mechanism of action. And for more information, I'll just open this in another tab. And herein, we also provide the access to the regulatory documents like labels, fact sheets, monograph. So on a single tap, you'll just get the access to this entire document. And the best thing is that we provide the translated English translations for the label, fact sheets, and monograph. As these documents, they are usually published in their own native languages, and we have made an arrangement that we provide the translated English versions. So this is from CropChem. You can just have a look at this. And once I've opened this in another tab for more information, so here again is the navigation bar by which you can just have a look at if in case you're looking for the manufacturers. So you can just directly go to that and you can just have a look at this. So I'll just begin from the top. So we provide the active ingredient name. Next up we have is this EP registration number, the basic information, the chemical class, the type of combination, the concentration, the mode of application we are providing. In case if there is any use restriction, we are providing that. We are providing the manufacturer's information under the umbrella of this. The technical manufacturer's detail, the company of the technical manufacturer, the formulation manufacturers, the country of formulation of manufacturers, the technical as well as formulation manufacturers. Apart from that, you can just have a look at this country of formulation, the chemical class, the accepted date, the IUPAC name, the mode of action, the packaging description we are providing, and the regulatory documents which are available. So this is the monograph and this is the label. So these are all translated in the English language, and you can just get access to it. So as you can see, here is the entire document in the translated English language. Now I'm just gonna filter this for a particular active ingredient along with the country. So I'm just gonna go with the country Brazil, and I'm gonna filter this with the means of this active ingredient name, Rynaxypyr. So for this particular compound Rynaxypyr, here I'm getting 22 results. And for more information, again I'll tap on this more info, and here are the list of these regulatory documents attached to this particular compound. You can just have access to this on a single tap, and these are all in the translated English language. So again, here we are providing all the basic information like the chemical class, the use restrictions, apart from that, the type of combination, and the toxicological classification, the applicant registration holder, the manufacturer information, the technical manufacturer information, the country of technical manufacturers, the formulation manufacturers, the country of formulation, and all such information. So here we'll get access to these documents. And there is another functionality that you can extend or limit your search by this and or function for these active ingredients, what you want, with the accepted dates. Apart from that, the agent number, the agent address, the CBRN, the chemical class, the combination type for which you're looking, the concentration, and such a way you can just have a look at this. So this was all about our GAPD platform. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.